For years, the United States was the undisputed leader in artificial intelligence. The breakthroughs, the funding, the world-class talent, it was all made in America. But that edge is eroding, fast. From Nairobi to Riyadh, companies, governments, and universities are now choosing Chinese AI. What changed? And what does this mean for the future of global power? Let's start with DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup most Americans haven't heard of. HSBC and Standard Chartered are already testing its models. Saudi Aramco, yes, the largest oil company in the world, has installed DeepSeek in its core data centers. Why? Two reasons: cost and accessibility. DeepSeek is reportedly 17 times cheaper than top US alternatives. It's also open source, meaning developers can customize it without paying steep licensing fees. Then there's Alibaba's Qwen model. More than 100,000 custom AI tools have been built on top of it. Japanese agencies are using it. African universities are deploying it offline to protect sensitive data. China's strategy isn't about flashy superintelligence, it's about scale, speed, and usability, and it's working. Now let's be clear, US AI models still lead in raw power. Google's Gemini 2.5, OpenAI's GPT-4o. These models dominate in performance benchmarks. American companies also benefit from the best chipsets, the largest data centers, and the deepest VC pockets. But there's a flip side. These models are expensive, proprietary, and some say less accessible to the rest of the world. Even Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are now offering DeepSeek to their global customers. That's right. US tech giants are selling Chinese AI models. Meanwhile, China is pushing into regions the US has overlooked: Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Latin America. The goal? Lock in their infrastructure and their allegiance before the US can catch up. The geopolitical stakes are massive. Washington is restricting Chinese firms from accessing high-end US chips. Congress is considering a ban on Chinese-developed AI in federal agencies. In response, Beijing is pouring money into a self-sufficient AI ecosystem with zero US dependencies. Some insiders warn we're already in a technological Cold War, where every country will have to choose between American and Chinese AI stacks. Brad Smith, president of Microsoft, put it bluntly: the country whose AI gets adopted globally will be difficult to supplant. This isn't just about software, it's about standards, surveillance, censorship, values, and control. There's a darker side to this. The open source version of DeepSeek, used by researchers, is relatively unrestricted. But the consumer app, it censors topics like Xinjiang and Tibet, exactly as the Chinese Communist Party prefers. If Chinese AI becomes the default in parts of the world, so might China's information ecosystem. US analysts warn, if we lose influence in this space, we lose visibility into China's AI goals and development. We can't govern what we don't understand or control. So here's the question. Will the future of AI be open, democratic, and cooperative? Or will it be fragmented, closed off, and driven by national interests? The answer may lie in the developing world, in who serves them first, better, and cheaper. China is making its pitch. The US is waking up. This race isn't about the smartest model. It's about who defines the playing field. Subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow's power, and tell us in the comments, should AI be a tool of diplomacy or defense?